everyone, welcome back to Bioholic channel. At first, wishing you a very happy new year, and I am come back with the last part of this topic, the excretory, endocrine, reproductive system of cockroach. So let's start. At first, let us discuss about the excretory system. These have many parts. Number 1 is the Malpighian tubules. Those are attached at the joint of the mid and hindgut. The excretory products dissolved in the hemolymph and absorbed by the Malpighian tubules and then discharged into the hindgut, and these Malpighian tubules are analogous to the mammalian kidney. Second one are the fat bodies, which are present in hemocoel having myocytocytes, urate cells, ionocytes and trophocytes. This is analogous to the mammalian liver. Third one is the nephrocyte, which are present in lateral wall of heart that help in excretion and stores nitrogenous waste. Fourth one is the uricose gland. In males, the uricose glands are present in periphery of mushroom glands, and it helps by the synthesis of uric acid. This second topic is the endocrine system of cockroaches. This includes corpora cardiaca. This is pair in number near the brain that secretes hormone that regulates heart pulsations. Now the prothoracic gland. It is single in number and located in the prothorax and secrete molting hormone or ecdysone. Third one is the corpora allata. It is also pair in number, which is present close to brain and secrete juvenile hormone that control metabolism and tissue growth. Some glands are present close to the brain, which secrete brain hormones like the prothoracotropic hormone PITCH, which helps in stimulation of metabolism of prothoracic gland and also helps in secretion of ecdysone from the prothoracic gland. And now the reproductive system. The sexes are separate and cockroach shows sexual dimorphism. So let's discuss about the male reproductive system. Male reproductive organs are testes, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, utricular gland, phallic or conglobate gland, and gonapohypophysis. The testes are elongated massive structure extending longitudinally, one on each side of the abdomen from 3rd or 4th to 8th abdominal segments. Each testis consists of 3 to 4 interconnected lobes. The vas differentia. From each testis, a short, delicate duct extends almost up to the hind end of the body. Here, both vasa differentia bend forward and maidenwards and join together to open into an ejaculatory duct in the midline of 8th segment itself. Now the ejaculatory duct. This is an elongated pear-shaped contractile duct which extends back from the junction of vas differentia up to the hind end of the body and opens out by male gonopore located ventrally to the anus. Now the mushroom gland. This is large whitish accessory gland located at the junction of vasa differentia and ejaculatory duct. It is formed of 3 small sac-like tubules. The long tubules or utricular majors forming the peripheral part of the gland. The small tubules or utriculi breviors forming the anteromedian part of the gland. and the small bulb seminal vesicles, forming the posterior median part of the gland. The sperms remain stored in these seminal vesicles. Now, the phallic or conglobate gland. This is a long, flattened, club-shaped, sac-like accessory gland located ventrally beneath the utricular gland. Its posterior, narrow tube-like part opens out by a separate pore located close to the genital pore at hind end of the body. And it mainly helps in secretion, which helps during mating. And the male gonapophysis. Three asymmetrical chitinous structures called male gonapophysis or phallomeres surrounded the male gonapore, and these are external genitalia of male. Now let's move on to the female reproductive system. That includes ovaries. Like the testes, these are elongated organs laterally extending, one on each side of the abdomen. From its 2 to 7 segments. Each ovary is a loose group of 8 long, thin, light yellow ovarian tubules having a flexible wall. The oviducts. The pedicles of all 8 ovarioles of an ovary posteriorly join together, forming a small, thick, muscular oviduct. The vagina. 2 oviducts also join together medically and in the 7th segment, forming a thicker median common oviduct or vagina. The latter opens behind into a large genital pouch by slit-like female gonopore located upon 8th stemite, which is telescope beneath the 7th sternite. The 4th one is the genital pouch or gynatorium, becoming a broad boat shaped. The 7th sternite forms the floor of a large genital pouch. And next is the collateral gland. These are pair of white and highly branched accessory gland located dorsally to the genital pouch. It mainly helps in formation of outer layer of ootheca. Now the spermatheca. These are a pair of small structures located close to the collateral gland and mainly helps by storing of sperms after mating. And the last one is the external genitalia or female gonapophysis. Here also 3 pairs of chitinous processes hanging from the root of the oothecal chamber into its cavity are the external genitalia of female cockroaches. These are called as ovipositor processes because this serves to arrange the ova in a newly forming ootheca and possibly help in giving proper shape to the ootheca. Now the life cycle. At first the egg, next there is formation of small nymph, then big nymph, and at last the adult male or female cockroaches, and this circle goes on. At first, copulation takes place. Female secretes yellow-colored pheromones for attracting males. During copulation, spermatophore of male is attached with the spermatheca of female. Then fertilization takes place in female genital chamber. From 16 ovarioles, 16 ova are released, which are arranged in ootheca after fertilization. Next is formation of ootheca. Secretion of collateral glands form the ootheca. Wall of ootheca is formed of scleroproteins. Now the development took place and last one is the metamorphosis. In case of developments, eggs are polylethal, ciliodic, cleavage being in ootheca, and cleavage is meroblastic and superficial. Within Uthika, 16 nymphs develop in 5 to 12 weeks, and Uthika ruptures and nymphs are liberated. And the metamorphosis happens in cockroaches is parametabolous or gradual metamorphosis. It is completed in about 2 years. The ecdysone hormone stimulates the molting or ecdysis in case of cockroaches, and the juvenile hormone regulates the rate of growth and tissue differentiation, and the molting in nymphs occurs in 8 to 10 times and forms the adult male or female cockroaches. So that's all for today. If you have any queries, please comment below, or you can also send your queries to our Gmail account given in the description box. The previous videos links are given in the description box. You can find it. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it. And if you are new on our channel, please do subscribe and turn the notification icon for further future notification. We will meet on next Monday with a new topic, the human digestive system. Thank you.